Hello YouTube. It's the first time I've ever posted on YouTube. I'm working on a 1974 Ford F100 Ranger. We're installing seatbelt brackets for the shoulder. We're going to put a 3-point seatbelt in this because the factory it only came with a shoulder or a lap belt. And we're restoring this truck for my son so he can be his first vehicle. So we're gonna walk you through step by step on putting these little plates in there. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, so press the pause button.
Okay, so what I did is I came down here, and this truck doesn't have the gas tank behind the seat, so you've got panel all the way down to the floor. The trucks with the gas tank behind the seat, they're usually cut off around here, and you could probably reach your hand up in and put the plate in there like that, but obviously it's a sealed unit. So people recommend cutting into the B-pillar here and sliding the plate in there. I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop that little bracket down through the roof and see if I can get it to line up right here. I've already pre-drilled all my holes and everything to match up with the little bracket. So what I did is I went here at the base of the floor and went up 32 inches to the center, and then I came in 3 inches to center here. Well, let's see how it goes. So all I did is I put a heavy-duty sewing thread on this, and I'm gonna feed it in here and try and drop it into place so I can put this bolt in. Might want to get you a little screwdriver to kind of feed it in here and move it around. And what would probably also work is a kind of a heavy-duty magnet, maybe, to drag it down, but I don't have one, so we're just stuck using the thread and a screwdriver. I'm afraid this is gonna fall. Okay, there it is. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. There it is. Okay. I got it right there. Pause it. So what I had to do is I had to reposition it and put my screwdriver through the small hole, because obviously I can't put the screwdriver and the bolt at the same time. But as you can see, can you see that? The bracket, the threaded part of the bracket is lined up with the hole. I'm gonna gently screw this in. There that is. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop rivet these in place. And then just pull your string off. There you have it. You have shoulder mount for your seat belt for $14. So we just installed the shoulder belt mounts for the 3-point harness or 3-point seat belts. We're going to be doing an awful lot of work to this truck. As you can see, it's a 74. It's all original. We're going to be fixing it up for my son, and I may be posting more of these little videos as we're fixing up the truck. Not a professional by any means, so if you guys have any suggestions, if you see me doing something that I'm not doing it right, please share your opinion. Thank you.